All right, guys, going to run a mini for the Bird and Judge balls. Three spots up for grabs. Two winners. Top two. Kyle on top. Kyle on the bottom. 8:20 p.m. Eastern. 8:20. Sorry about that. My neighbor was standing in the door talking to me. I couldn't get him to leave, so I could run. 9 times. 2108. 2109. After 8, we got Christopher Gavy on top. Keith on the bottom. Final row. 8:21 p.m. Eastern. Good luck. Number 9. Congrats to Christopher and Gabby. Spots 2 and 3. 9 and 9. 2136, 2132. Verification. Boom. 2, 3. Congrats. Done at 8:21 p.m. Eastern.